My first video, it's Friday, and Dad's with Jeremy. We're taking a video. Oh, who's this? Okay, Jeremy, stand back, buddy. Stand back over here, please. He's silly. Yeah, you do call. What's that conductor's name? What's your name?
Joe.
Joe. Okay, Joe. We're
I'm going to call it.
he's a train junkie. Thanks, Joe. What?
Don't call for doors.
Clear the door.
Oh yeah, we go for a ride every Sunday. We'll see you tomorrow, maybe. All right.
Joe, we'll see you in the mall.
We'll see you.
All right.
Have a good one, all right?
See you later. Thanks.
Take care, bye-bye.
Okay.
Take care. Bye bye.
What's the next stop? Aurora?
Let me see.
Okay, you stand back. And there goes the train. We're at King City, and I'll talk to you later. Say bye, Jeremy. Jeremy will make the next call on the phone.